Hi everyone, I am here to demonstrate how to create a visual pattern which will help us find the contacts and accounts of the top 100 unclosed opportunities with a probability greater than 50. Next, I'm going to add a new graph pattern and give it a name. Find contacts and accounts of unclosed opportunities. Next, I'm going to add a description. Find the contacts and accounts of the top 100 unclosed opportunities with a probability greater than 50. Next, I'm going to analyze the schema. So here's our schema. As you can see, we have the contact vertex that belongs to edge, the account vertex, the hash row edge, and the opportunity vertex. And within this opportunity vertex, we have the isClosed attribute, the probability attribute, and the expected revenue attribute. We will use the isClosed attribute to find out whether or not the opportunity has been closed. We're going to use the probability attribute to figure out the probability of the opportunity, and the expected revenue we're going to use to find the top 100 opportunity based on their expected revenues. So here are the visual vertex and edge patterns that we need in this visual pattern. Next, I'm going to pick the vertices and edges that we need in this visual pattern. So first, I'm going to pick the opportunity and contact vertices and edges. Then I'm going to pick the account and contact vertices and edges, and I'm going to merge the contact vertices together. Next, I'm going to add a filter to this opportunity vertex pattern, trying to find or filter the opportunity results based on whether or not they're closed and if they have a greater probability than 50. So for the first end condition, I'm going to compare the attribute isClosed with the boolean value false, because we're trying to find all opportunities that are not closed yet. And for the second condition, I'm going to compare the probability attribute with the number 50. So I'm going to check if the probability attribute is greater than 50, so that we find all the probabilities, all the opportunities that are which has probability greater than 50. So this filter will allow us to find or to filter the result based on opportunities that are not closed and have probability greater than 50. Next, I'm going to add an order to the opportunity vertex pattern. We want to order the opportunities based on their expected revenues and in descending order. So we're just trying to find the opportunities with the highest expected revenues. Then I'm going to limit the opportunity output to 100, so we're just trying to find the top 100 unclosed opportunities with a probability greater than 50. Next, I'm going to set all these vertices and edges in this visual pattern as our output, and I'm going to save this visual pattern. This visual pattern is pretty intuitive. It basically helps us find the top 100 unclosed opportunities with the highest expected revenues, the probability greater than 50, and it helps us find all the contacts and accounts associated with those opportunities. Next, I'm going to run this pattern. So here's our result. Here we have all the top 100 opportunities with the highest expected revenues, which is and these opportunities are unclosed and they have a great probability greater than 50. As you can see, there's not 100 opportunities in the results, which shows that there are not many unclosed opportunities with a probability greater than 50.